Well, it's up to the legislatures. My party is with me. I hope the independents and others. This is a democratic election, and this is the heart of democracy, that is the legislature. So let us see. The best man will win.
Sir, have you tried to lobby with other opposition, independent MLAs?
Canvassing is always there, but we are always meet. I would request all my MLAs and all my well-wishers.
Will you also convince your son to vote for you? Vijay Rane.
He is one of the opposition members. So I would request all the opposition members to vote for me.
So you have experience as a speaker. Do you think it will help? Is that a reason that you have experience as a speaker compared to other candidates?
In another 2 years, I'll be completing 50 years in the legislature. Thank you.
आम्ही जे उमेदवार सगळ्यांनी एक मताने युनिमसली आमच्या पार्टीन जे आता CLP झाले उपरांत आम्ही एज अ सिनियर मेंबर आणि एक्स स्पीकर एक्स CM आणि ज्यांका 50 वर्सां जाय दिल्ली आसा राजकारणात त्यांचे नाव आम्ही सगळ्यांनी युनिमसली आम्ही हे केल्ले आसा आणि आम्ही सगळ्या कडेन आम्ही सपोर्ट मागतले आणि म्हाका दिसता तेंच्या व्यक्ती जेन्ना स्पीकर पोस्टाचेर जेन्ना म्हणजे कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून आसा जाल्यार तेमी जेन्ना जे पद घेतले आसा तेन्ना जस्टीस दिल्ली आसा अनुभव आसा वास अनुभव आसा आणि ताका लागून त्यांच्या नावाचेर सगळ्यांची सहमती आसतली सगळ्या कडेन आमी तेंचे रिक्वेस्ट करतले हाज्या पयलीं सुद्दां सरकार दुसरो आसतना सुद्दां तेमी स्पीकर पद पयलीं सुद्दां ते आसलेले आणि ते तशें तेमी चलयल्ले आसा आणि त्याच आदाराचेर जेन्ना स्पीकर पोस्ट म्हणटा स्पीकर म्हणटा खंयच्या पार्टीचो ताका लागून आसता ते स्पीकर म्हणटा एक स्वतंत्र हे आसता आणि ताका लागून सगळ्यांतले सिनियर मेंबर म्हणटा ते आसात ह्या हावजाचे 50 वर्सां कंप्लीट जाय दिल्ली आसात तेन्ना तेंच्या नांवाक सगळ्यांची सहमती मेळटली अशें आमकां दिसता
कितले वोट पडटा अशें दिसता
नाही आमी सगळ्या कडेन अपील करतले रिक्वेस्ट करतले आनी म्हाका दिसता ते तेंचे कॅन्डिडेट ते असले कारणांनी कदाचित आमकां आनो पसून मेळपाक शकत
इजी विक्ट्री जाता इजी विक्ट्री
पहिली म्हणजे काँग्रेस पार्टी वॉन्ट्स टू सेंड अ क्लियर मेसेज ऑन दिस इलेक्शन व्हेरी सिरियसली आणि म्हणून प्रताप सिंग राणा सारको मनीस स्पिकराच्या इलेक्शनाक उबो रावता इट सेल्फ इज अ मेसेज अक्रॉस द स्टेट बिकॉज ऑफ हिज एक्सपिरियन्स हिज speakership role of his as a speaker. When I was the chief minister also, he was the speaker for 5 years. So people have experience, people have seen, and that is why this is an excellent message which Congress party is giving across the state. That party is very serious. So nobody can tomorrow say कितें रे तुमी फकाणां केल्या भशेन करता अशें कोण म्हणपाक शकना ताजे सारको मनीस उबो रावप itself makes an impact.
Sir, will you try to have unopposed saying because he is very experienced, he has got,
व्ह्यूज आहे काय त्यांना
will you ask BJP to
will you urge
withdraw
BJP
because
will you ask
he has
BJP?
fan following across BJP also?
सपोर्ट आम्ही सगळ्यांचेच मागतले जसे आम्ही आता कॅन्डिडेटांनी सगळं खूप सांगितले आसा आणि आम्ही म्हणतो सपोर्ट आम्ही एज अ सिनियर मेंबर आमचे कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून आसात त्यांचो सगळ्यांनी सपोर्ट करतो हे आम्ही अपील करतो
Sir, do you lost any election in your political career?
So far, I have not lost any election. That's why I was requesting my members that we are still short of some members and we are not in the ruling party. Therefore, they must think that they were all unanimous of the view that I should stand for elections. And once I have been a speaker here, I have played a very neutral role. Once you are a speaker, you don't belong to anyone. And therefore, it's up to the legislators and their thinking. And I hope that I request, since I have been put up by the Indian National Congress, once I have become a speaker, I belong to the House and an independent person. And whatever the decisions to be taken, I would take them independently. Okay. Without